Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Revolut to your bank account. Alright, so this process is really easy. We're going from Revolut to your bank account. So first of all, open up the app, navigate to payments, and then this should be located on your home screen. You need to initiate a new transfer. So tap the new button and then select bank receipt from the options. Enter your banking details, make sure that all of your details are correct and there's no spelling errors or anything like that. And then choose the preferred currency and enter the amount that you wish to transfer. Double check all of your details again for accuracy. Go ahead and tap on send to make your transfer. Some of the things that you should expect and some tips for a smoother transfer. First of all, it will arrive within minutes, but it may take up to 5 business days. Also, you can enjoy 0 Revolut fees from Great British Pounds transfers within the UK or within Europe transfers within SEPA. And then also be aware of weekend currency exchange fees, which is 1% when converting between currencies. And then if you want to save time on future transfers, by linking your bank account, you can go to accounts, add new, and then linked accounts. This creates a more secure connection for faster transfers. Also, you can track your transfer status in real time. And for frequently international transfers, you can consider upgrading to premium or metal plan for lower fees and no fair usage limits.